Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back live straight from YouTube and learning how to use this a little bit better. It is Thursday, March 7th, and this is the morning chat where anything goes. So, yeah, let me turn that. Okay. So, yeah, if you have questions, then I have answers. They may not be answers you want to hear. And depending on what the question is, I reserve the right to refuse to answer, but that's okay. If it's about, accounting or health or life or starting a business, or taxes, I'm good with those. So I will be much more careful after yesterday and the little children that were in here and wanting to wreak havoc, but that's okay because they increased my watch hours, so it didn't bother me. I will be, like I said, I will be much more careful about what I read, what I say out loud from the chat, but that's okay. I don't feel like they they got me, but they didn't get me, all because of the way that I speak. But I'm a genuinely nice person. If you're new to being around me, but that can change in an instant. And I protect my people. I protect my family. I protect my people. So if you are a regular subscriber and you are a client, then you are part of my tribe. You are part of my family, and I will protect you from those kinds of things to the best of my ability. I mean, I'm not going to jail. So I don't have a whole lot to talk about this morning. I am tired. I am working really hard on taxes and bookkeeping for a particular client, taxes for all the clients. And I am looking forward to getting those things done, getting back to being on a schedule. I've recently noticed, because I'm part of some other groups that I don't necessarily, I'm in there, but I don't participate in them. The rudeness of other accountants and how they think about their clients. And I think that I probably shouldn't talk too much about that because I would go off on a whole rant about, if they don't set up the proper things in order to get the information from you, the client, that's on them. I have attempted to set up, I've given the tools. Like this year, I gave the tools to everyone. I can't make them use them. So I'm strategizing for next year, for after this tax season, and what I do going forward is going to be different than what I did last year. It's going to be different than what I've done this tax season. Because I don't want these issues. I don't want to have issues. I want to be able to process everything in order and in a timely fashion, because the more times that I have to go back and request more information or um, wait on information, then it takes that much longer to get stuff. Renee, mommy hasn't showered, is in the house. And I'm trying to, there we go. Haha. You are now a moderator. It's not like I need one this morning, but you have been made a moderator. So just wanted you to know for when you comment the next time and the little blue wrench comes up next to your name. But as I was saying, I believe that as business owners, we need to help our clients be the best client that they can be also. We shouldn't be throwing them under the bus to other people in the industry, not like calling them out by name, but just saying, I've got these terrible clients. No, you don't have these terrible clients. You're a terrible business owner. All right. Give them the tools or change your policies, change your procedures in order to make them be a better client. Or don't have them as a client. The beautiful thing about being a business owner is you get to choose who you work with, especially if you are in a service industry. So don't blame the client. Take responsibility for the actions that are happening. Find a way to fix it. Find a way to fix it. And then if you can't, let them go. So we've got like, I don't know, six or 7 minutes left without questions. And so if we don't have any questions or comments in the next 6 to 7 minutes, we will end for today, and I will see you back tomorrow morning. If you are in Chris's group, then I will see you over there at 9 a.m. And if I can get some stuff done today and tomorrow, I might be able to open up some more consultations for next week. But right now, there's just too much on my plate. I can't take the time. Let's see. Each Tuesday we have a new Cha-Ching Chats podcast that drops. The first half is on Sarah's channel. The second half is here on mine. Make sure that you go back and catch the one from this week on Tuesday with Marcus. It was a really, really good call. Always love talking with him. I've got some other people that I want to bring on. Sarah's actively looking for people. And I want to particularly interview her because she has just done like a lot of these at-home side hustle things, like from the computer. and I want to get some more insight on those, because those could be great side hustles for resellers that are just trying to add a little bit more income and a little bit more revenue to their streams. Um, so I'm hoping to get her for next I'm hoping to record a video with her that will go live this coming Tuesday. Um, with that information, and then we'll catch back up on the other individuals. So we'll see what happens with that. Sarah's been under the weather, so not sure. Don't forget, we've got, for those that are women 50 and over, we've got the Financially Fabulous 50 Plus group on Facebook. And I'm looking forward to not only growing that group, but having guest bloggers and interviews and more. Like, just building a thriving community where we can all support each other. And it is open to people that are women that are approaching 50, like 48 needs to be the cutoff. But if you are approaching 50, then you kind of need to know what you're getting into. I mean, it would have been helpful if I had some heads up beforehand. But the outside, like the website, we've got a website that we're trying to get up. We've got, there's going to be a blog, there's a YouTube, there's a TikTok, there's all the things. And those other things are open to anyone to listen to. But the Facebook group itself, the cutoff is 48. So 48 plus. All right. Let's see. We've got 3 minutes left. It's been very quiet this morning, which is somewhat refreshing compared to yesterday, but it all works, right? I'm trying to get to 3,000 hours, let alone 4,000 hours on YouTube. And I am nowhere near there yet. But does anybody else go down a rabbit hole when they click on YouTube? It's like I just try very hard to not look at the like the feed that comes up, because then I want to watch all the videos. But so yeah, I am up to 135 videos. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Oh yeah, it is. So I got 116 subscribers. I mean, 1,016 subscribers. My watch time hours. Wait, it needs to be for the year. What's my watch time hours for the? It says 231. That isn't right. Analytics. Okay, so that's last 28 days. So last 365. 1.6. 1.6. I'm like halfway there. I'm halfway to the first level where I can get, what is that, stars or something like that. So 1.6 thousand watch time hours in the last 365 days. So I will keep doing this. Y'all keep coming. And hopefully I'll get there and then push from the 3,000 to 4,000. So I'm super excited. Alrighty. It's been 15 minutes and we're gonna call it for today. I'll see everyone tomorrow morning. And if you like I said, if you're in Chris's group, then I will see you in 15 minutes. Have a great day.